Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amarachi. If you are new here, welcome. For today's look, I am going to do something related into spring since we're now getting into the season of it being springtime. I figured that what I would do is do something with spring colors like yellow, orange, purple, lavender, aquas, and blues. Something that's relatively close to those colors. What I will start doing is putting a playlist together, calling it my 2018 spring edition looks. And I'm going to have them listed down below so that if you're ever looking for anything related to spring or anything related to like winter, then you will have a certain playlist listed on my page that I created based on that season. So hopefully that will be helpful. I feel as though it would be helpful. I typically may wear some of these looks all year round. I'm not one to kind of stick with a season type of look. I'm more of, I just go with the vibe and the mood that I'm in. And if that's something that I want to create, it's something that I want to wear that day, even if it's a winter look but I'm in summer, then so be it. But that's just me, to each his own. So if you want to see how I create this look, keep watching. So what I will be doing today, I am going to be using the new Morphe 35O2 Second Nature palette. That's what that looks like. And this is going to be my first time playing with this palette. I just got it in the mail, so I haven't really had a chance to like really like go through and play with all the colors. But yeah, this is it here. And the colors in here is beautiful. Like, it is beautiful. There's reds, and like I don't have a red eyeshadow. The closest eyeshadow that I have that's close to red is Brown Script from MAC, but that's more of like a red brown. But these colors are truly red in here. There's literally, this is probably like gonna be my go-to palette. I love my browns, my oranges, my golds, my bronze. Like, yeah, like I am definitely gonna be playing in this palette. But this is what it looks like for those who have not seen the palette before. This is what it looks like. What I did is, which I'm really happy that Morphe's doing, is the film has the name of each color. What I went ahead and did was just tape it across the top here, so when I am doing makeup tutorials with this particular look and I need to know what color I'm using, just for my purposes and also for you if you're watching and you're going to be using this palette, then you know, okay, I'm taking the color Flux. So Flux is going to be the second color right here based off this film. So other than that, let me go ahead and first, let me mute my phone so I heard it and I've been trying to ignore it. Pretend like that didn't happen. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. So what I'm going to do, like I normally do with every look that I do, I take my MAC 224 taper blending brush. You don't have to use this brush. I mean, you can use any taper blending brush that you have. Again, like I've always said, use whatever you have at home that's similar to what I'm using for this particular tutorial. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take the color Spice, and it's this nice brown color. It kind of reminds me of Saddle. You guys know how much I love my Saddle, so that's why I'm going in with this color right here. So anyways, I'm going to take that color Spice, which is right here. You can see it. Oh no! Anyway, we're taking the color Spice. Okay, so taking the color Spice, we're going to put that in our crease. And before I begin, I've already primed my eye with concealer. And I set it with translucent powder. So if you have concealer, go ahead and apply that on as your eyeshadow primer. Or if you have an eyeshadow primer that you like to use that too. So anyways, I'm going to go back in with my 224 blending brush by MAC, and I'm going to put that right in my crease. And again, I'm using the color Spice. really a good eyeshadow. I love how pigmented it already is. Like it's already picking up color. The next color that I'm going to go in with my same 224 taper blending brush is Blaze. And with light strokes, I'm going to put that right on top of Spice. Just to warm that up a little. Right on top of there. And blend it in. Check that out. Nice and blended. I love how pigmented this palette is. Like, it'll make no sense. Oh, that is so pretty. That transition altogether is just really, really pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit more of a Blaze and just focus that on this part of my eye just to make sure the transition is really there. Okay, and then next I want to do, what do I want to do? Okay, I think what I'm going to do is, so the color Sauce is lit. Like, look at that. I think I'm gonna use that. Ooh. And this is Sauce. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Sauce on my inner part of my lid. So taking my 224 brush, I'm gonna go in within the zone. I'm gonna put that right here in the outer V area, but swiftly and lightly. Bring it all the way in. And then bringing that all the way inside. Nice and softly. Go back in with a Blaze. And lightly go over that just to bring in a little bit more orange and blend that in within the zone. Once you've added a little bit more of a Blaze to that in the zone color, just to blend both colors together, what I am going to do, you don't have to do it this way, but what I am going to do is go in with Sauce. Anyways, taking my Morphe M421 brush, I'm going to dip that into Sauce. I'm going to pat it on in patting motion. This color from the Morphe palette is insanely beautiful. Like, this footage does this color no justice. Like, I can't even take it. Okay, what I'm going to do now is take my MAC 221 brush, which is this small taper blending brush, really small and a little bit compact, a little bit full. I'm going to use that brush and go right back in within the zone. I'm only going to dab a little bit in here because this brush will pick up a lot of product. And all I'm going to do is just retouch that outer corner of my eye and blend it into Sauce. Like that. what I'm gonna go ahead and do, if you have already put, I believe it's sauce all over your lid, and then you took a little bit of In the Zone and blended it out towards sauce, then you're good. That's exactly where I think I left off. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with my MAC 221 brush, taking the colors that I used in my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the bottom lower lash line just to pull the whole look together. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then next, what you can do after you've applied your mascara, or even before you apply your mascara, you can go in and apply liner on top. For this look, I'm not going to apply liner on top because I'm using really dramatic, long, fluffy eyelashes. So I'm going to skip that part. But what I am going to do is apply my trusty old NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. There we go. In the color Milk. I'm going to apply that to my waterline. And then what I'm going to do is go right in with my mascara again. I typically like to do it this way, so if I do get too much white eyeliner on my actual lashes, then I can go in and coat them with the mascara and cover that up a little bit. Alright, so now that I've applied mascara on both my upper and lower lashes, I'm going to go in and take my Dodo Lashes. I hope I'm saying that. I'm not sure if it's pronounced Dodo or like Doo-doo. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Dodo. No disrespect to the company, FYI. And the number 301. While my lashes are actually getting tacky from the glue, I'm going to go in and use Pure out of the same palette and apply that to my tear duct. Oh, and by the way, I'm using my Morphe M213 brush to apply this on. Oh man, I've been asleep on this palette. I have been asleep on this palette. I think I'm like the last person in this universe to get this palette. I'm just gonna drag in Pure and bring it in under my lower lash line. Oh, that is so pretty. And then lightly bringing it in towards sauce, just lightly. Whatever you have on the brush, just lightly. Yeah, I've been to this palette. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes, and I added a backseat. I took a little bit of eyeliner and applied it to the top just to help blend in everything, especially with the lashes. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is blot off my lips. Can we just appreciate this palette? Like, I'm gonna have to get into her a whole lot more. Like, these colors in this palette altogether, they're beautiful. 1, 2, they're so pigmented. Like, looking on the monitor, it doesn't do it any justice at all. Like she is living, and I am just okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my lips. So I'm gonna be using Stripdown lip liner from MAC. I'm gonna use that to line my lips. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit of Cork just to darken it up just a little bit. It's also a lip liner from MAC. I'm going to take a little bit of Cork. And then next I'm going to go in with Morange from MAC. And apply that to my lips. but lightly, not like a whole bunch, just lightly. This step is optional. You don't have to use an orange lipstick. You can go right in after your lip liner and use a nude lipstick to complete this look. Using my Morphe Y16 brush, and I'm using Oh Darling from MAC, which is my all-time favorite highlighter of life. Taking that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the high points of my cheeks. And that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys loved this look. I definitely love this look. I definitely love the warm contrast of it, the oranges, the I love this look. Like, I don't know about you, I love this look, like, hands down. Like, she, like, I'm just too done with myself. This look, I am feeling. This is definitely something that I would wear even when it isn't spring, even when it isn't winter, even when it isn't summer. It's just like an all year round color for me. It may not be an all year round thing for you. This may be just the perfect look that you're looking for spring. And this will honestly be a beautiful color. I'm saying banging color. Like a banging look on all my women of color, especially my chocolate girls. Like, this look all together, it'll just make your skin pop. Like, so I hope you guys do love this look. I'm going to leave you guys with a few slow motion headshots of this look. And if you have any questions, or if you have any type of looks that you would like to see me create, let me know. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate the love that I've been receiving in the last 2 videos that I posted. I hope that you guys like this one. Thank you so much, and don't forget, you are beautiful and you're blessed. Bye.